Okay, so here's my lunch today. This is a flatbread. It'll be in my grocery video that'll be shown next week. We have, I put a little bit of ranch dressing on it. We have spinach, cucumbers, tomatoes, grilled chicken, just a little bit of extra ranch dressing. And then these pretzel crisp. These are so good. And it's only 110 calories for 10. So it's not really bad. And then, of course, water. So yeah, so there's my healthy lunch.